YouTube. This is the actual demo of BC Sinks plus BC Monster plus MNC Soulbox. Okay, let's start. As you can see, I've already opened BC Sinks and TCP BC Monster. So all you have to do is options, change client to Paul, close, stop. Okay, Evolution box, open, then spawn client, click spawn client, and then okay, search for the particular client, and the tutorial is Revolution box. I'm choosing Revolution box, and it will automatically open now. And goes. Let's just wait. Okay. It goes, it opens. So next thing you do is put in a Yahoo ID. I'm choosing naman 001 and login. There it goes. Choose a particular room. I'm choosing Metro Manila Barcada 22, and then go to you must change the server bc.yahoo.com to localhost. Localhost. Change bc.yahoo.com to localhost. BC servers. Now login. Online, join the room, type in CAPTCHA, send. There it goes in the room. Go to voice panel, click on voice on, connecting. Just wait, and see it's connected. There it goes. It's connected in my BC Sync. Here, connected. Here it goes. Connected in BC Monster. Now what you want to do, from 98 you go to 220. Click in mouse, click the score, click in invert, and then step in the BC and talk. 16 out of 17. Okay, this is the actual output demo of how to merge BC Monster TCP Slave BC Sinks to Revolution box. So it's Sunamas again signing in YouTube, and I hope you are satisfied for the actual demo, and hope it will help you, and hope you will wait for my the other tutorial that I will make, and that will not be so far, and maybe tomorrow I will make another tutorial about Yahoo tools, Yahoo booters, whatever. So this is Sunamas signing out in YouTube. Sayonara guys, bye guys.